Hi, we're at Harbour Lights in Southampton and I've just watched for the first time the completed film of Idiots Anonymous.
Chris has done such an amazing job. It just comes across so well on camera. And the edit and the sound and the music, like the cast and crew that I got to know. I think everyone smashed it and I think Chris should be so proud of himself.
I'm just so proud of all the cast and my wonderful friend, my director, Chris. I loved the film. I think that it's so nice to see dark humour.
I really enjoyed Idiots Anonymous. It was a fantastic film, such a wide variety of characters and absolutely fantastic to hear that it was all filmed locally in Hampshire.
It's quite quirky and yeah, we just look forward to seeing where this one goes.
And the dark comedy, it really was. All of us were belly laughing through it. Some of the points were fantastic. The cast crew was outstanding. I've got to say, Idiots Anonymous, you smashed it. Perfect. I loved every minute of it.
Really good to see the story come together. You know, my brother came along to see it today. He absolutely loved it. He's normally my kind of final line of approval. So he saw it and he gave me the nod. He's like, yeah, that's good. That's really good.
My favourite actor is probably Richard, because I just think he's really cool. Yeah.
I'd like to say how proud I am of my son Christopher. I knew he had it in him, but I didn't know he had it in him that much. And I was getting angry with you.
Yeah, I got angry with you. I agree. But he did such a good job, didn't he?
Yes, wonderful.
Sam and Lewis from Abbey 104.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to see you.
How's it going? We were just talking about the film, weren't we? How good the film was. I loved the twist. I loved the acting. We were just talking to the editor, weren't we?
We can't spoil too much.
No, we can't.
It's a bit of a twist.
It is. But the acting was on point. Every single actor was like on point. It was beautiful, wasn't it? It was beautifully written, beautifully done, and honestly, just everything. It flowed really well. I loved every single second. It was like, I was going to say, it's like a movie premiere, but it's like being like in a regal place, and like when everyone clapped at the end. It was amazing. I was like, yeah!
You loved it, didn't you?
I loved it. I loved every single second. It was amazing.
You heard it first. Acting. Call me.